Welcome back to another one. We're about to do a weekly review of our charts. We're going to start off with the DXY just to get our bearings together and see what's currently going on or what's likely to happen for the week. So, zoom in a bit. That is the movement for the previous week. Went down and then came slightly back up. Slightly back up. So let's trace back our steps. Price took down or took out this pool of liquidity here on the sell side and then shot up. Shot all the way up. We broke structure here. Now looks like we are about to target these liquidity pools there. Just mark that out. Let me make that a bit bold so we know. Okay, weekly level over there. Looking through this price run. Is that a gap over there? Let's see. Had a slight fair value gap over there that got triggered in. Slight gap over there on the weekly time frame that we tapped into. That'll be now our intermediate term low. So as long as price doesn't break this low, we can look for bullish setups. There's another fair value gap there. We might return back to it, but we'll see what price does. At the moment on the weekly time frame, those are the levels or the points that are grabbing my attention right now. Got that high over there. Just mark this out there. Okay, weekly levels established. Let's go to the daily time frame, see what's going on. Okay, pushing up on the daily. Can definitely see us attacking this pool of liquidity there. At the very least, we might get up to there, but at the very least, we'll take, excuse me, at the very least, we can anticipate this high being run. I'm just gonna put that with less thickness so that I know that's a daily level. Can look to hit there. Take out that liquidity. Since we're having a bullish DXY, that puts us in a risk-off scenario, so we can expect a sell-off in foreign currencies and as well as our indices. But at the moment, this is our current weekly draw, that weekly pool of liquidity there. I definitely see us attacking that high. It's not even that far really. Slight volume imbalance there. So definitely for the week on the DXY, at the current moment my bias is bullish. Pardon that. No sir. Apply defaults. Let's go to the 4H. Let's just see what's going on there. Okay. Bias is definitely bullish. I want to see, what I'd like to see is the DXY revisiting this area here, filling out that gap or tapping it, and then proceed to the upside. So I'd anticipate something, pardon me, something perhaps hit there, then go down, or go down and then shoot up. But my bias on the DXY is bullish. Looking at the euro dollar, Let me just take these out and go to the wire. Escape. Let's just clear all of this. Fresh mindset, new week, 1 week time frame, and let's dive into the euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. What happened? We had this volume imbalance that we filled out after taking liquidity on the weekly time frame. And then price began to break down. You can see we had a weekly fair value gap. Price traded up into that weekly fair value gap and then began to sell. As the 2022 model suggests, we can still anticipate price to draw further down and attack this pool of sell-side liquidity. And we can even anticipate it going to this bottom pool of liquidity as well. This ties in nicely with our current bearish, bullish drawn liquidity for the DXY. As you know, the Euro, USD, and the DXY are inversely correlated. So if you see a fall in the DXY, we'll see a rise in the Euro. If you see a rise in the DXY, we'll see a fall in the Euro. So that's currently where we're at. We also went down into this weekly fair value gap. As you can see there. Weekly fair value gap. So we'll just have to go down to the daily to get a better or clearer idea of the situation. Looking at the daily chart, weekly level there. We're about to tap into that daily low. Just mark that out there. All right. Situation at the moment. Model suggests that we could even touch down there. We'll just have to wait and see what price does. Let's go to the 4H. 4H time frame. You can see the model. We took that pool of liquidity. In that price structure, we got a breakdown. Let's see, 1H. Break. Price came back up. And then we sold down. Ooh, that's a nice move though. I kind of wish I was a part of it, but I was looking at the Nasdaq as per usual. So with the euro, 240. That's the current situation so far. Those are the liquidity pools that I'm currently looking at. And then we'll just see what price does for us. That fair value gap there or imbalance. I'd be looking to enter something in there, potentially short. So what I'd like to see is a retracement, and then we attack the liquidity, and then carry on ultimately to our weekly draw. So my bias on the euro, based on what I'm seeing, is bearish for the week. And we'll see what price does for us tomorrow, or as the week progresses. Let's go down to GBP USD. Gonna clear it out. New week, fresh mindset. Let's go to the 1 weekly time frame. Take a look, see. Okay. No fair value gap there at all. Price broke low there. I'll just mark out this weekly pool of liquidity. And then as we scroll down, we'll then get another idea of what price is likely to do. As you can see, we hit a weekly fair value gap over there. Hit the weekly fair value gap. Got the break of structure, and it looks like we could head all the way down. Liquidity pools, 1 day time frame. Let's see. 1 day, 1 day. That's 1 day. Oh, that was quick. Nice. 1 day chart. Took out some liquidity. Shot up. Came down. Price is just hanging around there right now. So we'll see what happens. I'll just mark down the low. Marked out the low. Let's look at the 4H quickly. Alright, alright, alright. Beautiful, beautiful play of the model. Price shot up. Took out liquidity. Got the breakdown. Came up to change the fair value gap. Went back down. If we go even lower, I bet you the structure will look even more crisp. Of course, even more crisp. Move started off there. What time was it? So like 2, né? Okay. Yeah, nice. Silver bullet time. Price broke down, traded back up into the gap, and then we rode all the way down. Wish I was involved in this, but unfortunately I wasn't. And similarly to the euro, I'll be hunting for an entry somewhere there maybe. For Forex, I look to enter on the 1 hourly time frame. If I'm really trying to snipe or finesse it, I'll go all the way down to an M15 or the M5 just to give me an even clearer view. So I got a little something here, maybe. We'll see what happens on Monday, or just a few hours from now, actually. Yeah, a few hours from now. But that's the situation on the euro. I'm leaning to the bearish side. What I would love to see is if price can retrace back up, giving me an opportunity to enter short in that area there. And if we didn't take the liquidity, I'd be looking to target that. So an easy 75 pips, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Overall, bearish. So if I, get a little sum, hold it. Not bad. Not bad at all. I wouldn't be mad at that. And that's that for the cable. We spoke on the euro. Spoke on the DXY. Now let's look at the S&P. Let's clear it out. New week, new mindset, fresh. Let's go to the 1 week time frame. One week time frame. Tapped into that, yeah? Okay. 1 week time frame. Got a weekly fair value gap over there. Probably random. Alright. Let's put that there for now. Okay. Swing low, pushed up. Didn't really, did we? Oh, we just swept. We just swept that liquidity up top. Do that. Oopsie. Alrighty. Let's see. We just swept that. Make that a bit thicker. Okay, we took buy side liquidity. Saw energetic displacement to the downside, breaking the swing low. Swing low there again. Traded back up. and I'm looking to go short. Where am I targeting? First target would be that low of the weekly low. First target there, and we got some pores to clear out. Ultimately, I'd be looking at that. We at least have to come in and do something about it. Or it could be filled out. We'll see. We'll definitely see. But let's go down to the daily. Daily time frame. We have took out liquidity there. Price shot up, came down, shot up again, broke off structure, and we have a fair value gap over there. Just gonna do it like this. Okay. Let's go down to the 4H just to see what's going on. Okay. You can see here. Price went up, came down, pushed up again. Energetic displacement. We had the break of structure. Let's go to the M60. For my this is lovely. It's so lovely. We've got the break of structure there. Price went up, took out the liquidity. This is like a textbook setup. Textbook. Literally textbook. Break of structure there. Trading back up. M15. Got a little something over there. M5. Okay. I'd like to see if we can come back here. I'd love to see us come there. Let's see, bearish. Love to see price come back there and then carry all the way down. So this is what was the sell. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing. Come up there. 8 points is a bit much. I like to get it down to 4, but no, I'll just leave it there for now. Okay, let me say 5.51. Come up there, take us all the way down to there. That's that daily low. You see it? Let's just get our bearings there. We're gonna measure this price swing from over here just to determine if we're in a premium, discount, what's going on. Alrighty, as you can, excuse me, we are well in premium. Let me just reverse you. We are well in premium. Okay, you are there, perfect. Are you aligned, my brother? Yes, you are. Yeah, I am definitely bearish here. Take that low, even all the way down to the equilibrium point. Yeah, this is the setup that I'll be waiting for or watching for the S&P on Monday. It'll be interesting to see. Very interesting to see. Very interesting. But this is textbook, yo. So textbook. So textbook. It could have been triggered in there via that M15. But we'll see what it does. We're looking at an M5 fair value gap, and below that M5 fair value gap is right over there. Let me just lock this. Yeah, we'll see what we do in London in a few hours' time, really. But yeah, I'm watching this one. So if we get that slight retracement in the DXY to fill out that hourly, is it on the hourly or yes, this hourly fair value gap over there? Seeing the breaker. You get that retracement, that would allow a slight up movement into this area. And then once the DXY starts reversing back to the upside, I'll anticipate a downwards movement for the S&P all the way down back to equilibrium. Not bad, really. Not bad. Let's look at the Nasdaq. My favorite. The chart that made me fall in love with trading. My NAS. I'm gonna start on the weekly time frame. Get our bearings and such. Understand where we are. Okay. Here we are. Took out weekly liquidity. We have buy side liquidity. It's looking kind of bullish though. Let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, here we are. Low-key similar to the ES. Came down, took out the liquidity on the daily and shot up. Same thing here. Came down, took out that daily liquidity pool. Broke of structure. Further break of structure. It's like a daily gap here. And the price did that. I am anticipating us returning. Balanced. Is this right? Price range balanced. I anticipate us at least here. Coming there. So I'm just gonna do it like this. Let's do it like this. Alrighty. Let's make that a lot. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. Let me just move this to say maybe there so that I stop this thing of like, But anyway. Now it's just irritating me that everything is jumping around. Pardon me. Okay, and there we go. There's nothing incriminating, right? No. Don't look like that. Yeah, we good. Just had to check something. Anyway, I see this daily fair value gap. Price is telling me we're gonna go lower. At least tap that, and then perhaps we'll continue with our bullish movement. Let's go down to the 4H. See what else is going on under the hood. Okay, okay. Total liquidity, got the breakdown. Let's go to the M60. Whew, beautiful as well. Price shot, purge the liquidity there. Energetic displacement down, break of structure. Now we just gotta hunt for a fair value gap along this displacement leg of price. Put that over there. Beautiful, man. It's just so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. Let's go to the M15. Let's get another look-see. Got the gap there. All right. If you can see the text I just got now. I was supposed to go to this girl's place, but charts come first. She's whiling out on the phone. It is what it is. But anyway, that M15 fair value gap, I'm looking for price to trade back up into it and then carry down on its descent down. Oh my God, it's gonna be beautiful. Let's say the M5 real quick, get another, if it's the M5, we have something there. But we tapped into it. We tapped into it via that, but you know. I am going to be steadfast with my M15 draw, which I feel is up there. I want price to fill that. What I'd like to see is price tapping into that. Put that there. Okay, it's a bit wide, but it is what it is. That's an intermediate term high. It's a fair value gap that just got rebalanced. So as long as this doesn't get breached, the bearish idea is still very much solid. We have a fair value gap, an order block, right? We have an order block. Order block over there. Low key looks like. Let's see something real quick. Just out of curiosity. Interesting. The order block is also the 50% level of that fair value gap. So I'll just put you there. Perfect. Yup. I'm definitely looking to take this. There's a fair value, bearish fair value gap, order block, and a high. This is Thursday, Wednesday, blah, 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 blah. Yep. Write that down to here. Not bad, actually. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. That's what I'll be looking out for during London in a few hours' time. And we'll see what happens from there. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I'm very much appreciated. I'll post updates tomorrow and we'll take it from there. If you're not with us on Twitter, be sure to check us out family, man. That's where we at with it. So we're at with it, and I'll be posting all about my journey, observations, everything chart related and in between. Thank you so much again for your time. And in the words of my mentor, be safe.